Hi, welcome to SpeakNest Pro English channel. Start speaking English like a pro with SpeakNest Pro English channel.
Don't skip this video. Learn both beginner and advanced English through a real market conversation. Now, let's begin a simple market conversation between a vendor and a customer in beginner English.
Hello, your vegetables look fresh.
Thank you.
How much are these carrots?
$2 for one bunch.
Oh, it is a little high. Can you make it less?
Okay, $1.80.
Can you give for $1.50?
No, sorry. $1.70 is best.
Okay, I take one. How much are these tomatoes?
$3 for 1 kilo.
It is expensive. Can you give less?
Okay, $2.50.
Good, I take half kilo.
Anything else?
No, thank you. How much total?
$4.
Here is your money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, you can watch the same conversation in advanced English.
Hello, your vegetables look incredibly fresh.
Thank you. They're freshly harvested from the farm.
How much are these carrots?
They're $2 per bunch.
That seems a bit overpriced. Could you lower the price?
I can offer them for $1.80.
Would you consider $1.50?
I'm afraid that's too low. $1.70 is the best I can do.
All right, I'll take one bunch. What about these tomatoes?
They're priced at $3 per kilo.
That's quite expensive. Could you give me a discount?
Sure, I can reduce it to $2.50.
Sounds good. I'll take half a kilo.
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that will be all. How much is the total?
That comes to $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations.